Alright, so today we're reviewing the Tyler HerRO PSA 9. So what I would say right off the bat is I don't really like that they picked a black jersey here to mix with that black. It just doesn't fit well. It just kind of looks like it's a line. I don't know. I thought it looked cooler in the picture than it is in person, I'd say. But overall, I do always like getting these rookie cards. I like the player, so that's why I picked it. And I think that he have a nice future coming up for them. Overall with Tyler HerRO, see what Duncan Robinson can do, and all of that. So this dude's pretty cold overall, and that's why I picked the card. I do like that they have the white shoes there, that Tyler's white shoes, and kind of give it a little bit more of a pop, a little offset of the colors too. So that's the PSA 10, perfect condition as always. That's kind of what I'm going for. Another Kentucky player here. A little bit of a background on Tyler as well. And then down at the bottom, it always tells you the year. So this is the 2019-2020 Prism set. That's where you would have gotten this card. And so, yep, nice design, good colors, but I do wish they used a different type of jersey. Maybe even like their Vice City jersey would have been cool. And so there you have it.